Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I wanted to do a get ready with me style video because I have a day of filming content and shooting stuff for Insta. So I had to do my makeup anyway, and I have all of these like products here that I've never used in packages, new things I wanted to test out. So I figured this will be a fun way to do a couple things at the same time, test out new products, give a nice first impressions, show you guys how they work, and also update you guys on my life. So I hope you guys stick around for today's video. I've already started my brows just because that literally takes me like 10 minutes, and y'all do your brows differently. Everyone's brow shapes are different. I believe I have a brow routine or something on my YouTube channel. Guys, I have like 1,000 videos. There's gotta be a brow video up in there somewhere. So I just wanted to skip over that. However, I need to clean them up, so I just have some concealer here to do that. But I am so excited for today, you guys. I'm excited for June, now that we are in June, because summer is my favorite time of year. I'm a summer baby. Shout out to all my Leos out here. Ooh, what's your sign? Comment down below. I want to see how many other Leos are in the comments down below. But I'm excited, not only for my birthday, but for warmer weather. Although in LA, it's been so gloomy and cold here. I'm so jealous of everyone that has like hot temperatures, like on the East Coast. My dad will tell me it's like 90. Vegas is like 101, and I'm just over here freezing in my sweats right now. So I'm gonna need LA to get it together really quickly. But I'm just using my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer to clean up my eyebrows.
Take another hit, but I'm already high.
Who else is living for that new Cardi B song? Because I am. Please don't come for me in the comments when I say this, but I'm not really the biggest Cardi B fan, simply because her music to me is like okay, but just like Migos, like all their music sounds the same to me. I can't even differentiate which song is which. They just all have the same background. Like it's all the same. And that's how I felt about Cardi until she put out Press, and I'm like, well, hold up, this is a bop. I can be in the club to this, okay? Like it makes me want to be a bad bee in these streets. So I'm gonna turn my phone actually off. I'm gonna be filming a Q&A later on today, so I had asked the dolls on Instagram to send me your wildest questions so I could shoot that. But let's get into some of these new products here. I have an eyeshadow primer, which I definitely need to put down so we can see the true colors of these, and I just use the same primer all of the time, MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. I've never tried any Huda Beauty products, and I feel like I can get a really nice girly glam look out of this. And yes, your girl washed all her makeup brushes last night. I was not playing around. I was like, I'm gonna get ready for this video. We're gonna have clean brushes. It's gonna be a great time. So I'm gonna take this cream color, and I'm just gonna press this all over my lid on a huge fluff brush, just so I can get a nice base to work with, and everything will blend out nicely, and also kind of set that primer in place so it does not crease. Ooh, my skin is glowing today. I did my whole 11-step skincare routine, and I enjoyed every second of it. I just uploaded that to my YouTube channel not too long ago, so definitely recommend checking those out. I did my SPF, my moisturizer, my jade rolling, all of that. So definitely check that out in the description box if you want to know what my current routine is, because I've been using those products consistently for months, and I repurchased them and I love them. So I'm gonna go in with a little blending brush. I'm gonna hop into this center color right here. There is a lot of fallout in the pan, so I can tell you that. And I'm gonna just whoop this in my crease. And I know you guys seen this doll merch right here. Links below. Go get you a sweatshirt, take a pic in it, tag me on Instagram so I can post you on my stories. I love Instagram and the fact that I can just like chat with you guys. And I love the way that the inbox is set up. I switched my Instagram account from a business account to an influencer account, which I know is in the works to be sent out to everyone. Like I think they're still in the beta stages of it, so they're still testing it to see the differences. But the way that my inbox is right now is so much easier to navigate and to get notifications from you guys. So definitely hit me up on Instagram. And this color is so pigmented. This is a little too dark for a blending shade, but this is what we have to work with in this palette. Kudos to Instagram for recognizing all of the influencers, because not everyone is a business account, but to get those insights and the analytics, you need to be on a business account. But with this new profile, you get that and more features. So I'm probably gonna mix this one with this shade down here. Could have definitely wet my brush for this, but not today. Don't judge the eyeshadow. Wait until I do my face makeup. I always tell you guys makeup is a process, and I look insane most of the time when I do my makeup because I bounce between everything. And I think I'm gonna go in with this color because she looked real cute and very mysterious. I don't know, that's really dark though, but I love the red undertone because there's actually this liner I want to use that has like a similar family to it that would look really pretty. So I'm just gonna pop this out here to add some definition. Ooh, okay, so I'm not mad at this. At first I was kind of scared. Press, 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 press. I look like I have pink eye. Who thought this was okay? Who, Sway? Who? Lord have mercy. It literally looks like a bruise, and it's gonna take off all my skincare product, and that's just irritating to me. All right, look at that fallout. What in the... My face makeup has been the same and will stay the same because I love the products that I use, and I always link them down below. So I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. Get a little Too Faced peach foundation. How to put you guys on pause because my Spotify is popping and I am just obsessed. I'm the type of person that needs music on the regular day to get ready because it just pumps me up, and it's my way of having like my own therapy. So one thing to note is my skin right now needs a chemical peel. It is just like screaming at me, girl, I need a chemical peel. So let's not talk about that, but I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm using Golden Beige under my eyes to brighten. And with my beauty blender, I don't know if you guys experience the same, please let me know, but I feel like I'm buying a new one of these every other week, and I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. Like, I wash it every single time that I use it, so maybe that's why. But I used to use my beauty blender with liquids and powders. Like, after I would blend in my concealer, I would set the bake with the beauty blender in powder. So then I was thinking maybe it's just too much product being built up over time, and then it would split and it would rip, and these things are like $20. So I don't have the time to keep buying beauty blenders. And I used to have the Real Techniques, but I feel like those are too hard. Like, they're just so hard. They don't blend product for me even wet. Like, I try to soak them. Like, I don't know. So if you have a better alternative, because I'm not a fan of brushes, please help your girl out in the down bar. But so far I've stopped using this for powder products and just use them for liquid foundation, and it seems to be doing a better job for me. So instead of baking with the beauty blender, I'm just going to use a powder brush to set that in place. And I'm going in with my translucent powder from Laura Mercier. I do let this sit and lightly toast under my eyes. So we've set the concealer. I'm going to go in with my regular schmagular powder now. You could use this, I guess, but I prefer to use my Too Faced, it's really crusty, Peach Perfect. Yo, this coffee low-key is making me so jittery. These new bronzers, and these are the City bronzers. So I have 3 different shades here. Jesus help me. I have 100, we got 200, and 300. So I'm probably gonna go in with 200 and 300 for my face today. And I'm gonna contour with, well, let's see. I don't know, I go between a couple of different brushes. So let's contour. Get this plastic off. I love drugstore products. Look, there are some really poppin' products out there. So this is what 200 looks like, and then for comparison, oh yeah, 300 might be a little bit too warm for me. Then I can show you what 100 looks like. Like, there just needs to be a color in between 300 and 200, because I would be in between that. But I'm gonna contour with 200. This is not a bronzer for me. That's like my face powder. So I'm gonna take this little brush here, all Sigma, get the tip. I don't know, this is a nice color to contour with. It's not crazy. Oh my god, would I repurchase this 1,000,001 times. It's the Banana Cream by Too Faced Cosmetics. It's Banana's setting powder. So I'm gonna run this down the middle of my nose. Look, nose contour transforms your face. I'm gonna transform you. Yeah, that's what nose contour does, and I am here for it. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, I'm gonna use this because I like the coloring on my face. So I'm gonna take my nice and clean angled brush from Sigma and dip it in here and contour. Ooh, that's a really nice match for me. So far this is blending really well. It's not dragging, it's not dry, it's not sitting on top of my face, but honestly my pores are so bad right now because again I need a chemical peel. But I'm gonna press it into my hairline a little bit so you don't have any weird coloring, because you know your scalp is not the same color as your face. Skirt. Ah, okay. And then I'll hit my chinny chin chin. Let's try a new blush, because look, I'm feeling adventurous today. So Too Faced just dropped these new Fruit Cocktail blush duos. I have a couple of them here. I think I have another one. It's down here. All different colors. So I'll show you guys those. They are shimmery, so if you like a good bit of shimmer on your face, you're gonna love these. If you're more of a matte person, maybe skip out on them. I'm gonna link them down below so you guys can check them out and dive a little bit deeper. But come on, how cute is their packaging? I just love these little compacts. So this one is called Berries and Bubbly. Oh, here for that. These would be really pretty shadows. As you can see, I've swatched it. This is more of like a highlight to me. Can you see? So I ruined this one by my swatch, but these look pretty similar in my opinion. One is just a little bit more peachy. So I'm taking Like My Melons just on the blush side. It smells so good. It smells like a cocktail by the pool in Vegas. Ooh, while I'm getting burnt underneath the sun because you know it's 115 degrees out there. All right, I like this. I don't like a crazy blush that looks like I'm wearing blush. I just like a little flush of color to make it look like I'm alive. I might use this highlight for my brow bone. Ooh, she's gleaming, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna pop it in the inners as well because I really like this as like an eye highlight. I think I have another new highlight that I wanted to try out with you guys, and this is from Morphe. I've only tried one palette from them in the past, and so far like I've been impressed. As for their brushes, never tried them or face product. So this is the High Impact highlighter, and this is in the shade Extra. So we're gonna try this and see what that's all about. The packaging to me is just like basic, like not really luxury. It could be better, but let's see what this highlight is all about. Ooh, it's smooth. She is smooth. It's a gold undertone, which I love. Okay, I could work with this. And highlight my nose. Ooh, okay. I like how smooth the consistency, like it just glides on like butter. Ooh, like butter on a warm piece of toast. Girl, where's my other brush? My descriptions right now. I'm telling you, this coffee has your girl crazy. So this is my highlighting brush. I don't, look, the fan brush doesn't do anything for me. That's just, If I'm gonna put highlighter on, I'm gonna put highlighter on, and I'm gonna be gleaming. Y'all gonna see me coming from 2 blocks down. So I'm just gonna glide this on my cheeks. I like to put a little bit on like above my brow, and then on the chin. Sometimes I'll diffuse the nose. So far what I can say is this mixed with bronzer in 200 perfect combo. Might be my new favorite combo for summertime. All right, okay, I'm impressed so far, but we all know that highlighter does better when you set it in place. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of my Tatcha, can you see this? Dewy Skin Mist. This is worth the 50 coins. Revlon just came out with this new mascara. Love the packaging. This is the So Fierce. I love drugstore mascaras. I feel like mascaras in a sense work all the same. Looks like a little skinny Christmas tree. This is for sure a lengthening mascara. Oh my gosh, darkening, it's lengthening, it feels hydrating. I don't see a lot of volume with this one, but if you need length, and I'm getting a little bit of curl from this as well. Wow, this is it. I love this mascara, it's so nice. Okay, so let's stick with that same theme and use the So Fierce liners. These are vinyl eyeliners, again from Revlon. For this look, I pulled a brown and then I pulled a burgundy. So I'm gonna go with the latter and stick with this beautiful burgundy shade because I think it'll complement these shadows nicely. Look at that pigment, it's very buttery and smooth. So I'm just gonna drag this on my waterline, lower waterline. Oh my gosh, yes. This right here is what's gonna make my brown eyes pop. So I'm gonna go back to Miss Huda right here on a pencil brush. This is an e.l.f. brush. And put that on the lower, right underneath that liner, just to set it in place and to blend the whole entire eye look together, just to, you know. Yes, gotta be careful because I did not do liner today. I was really lazy. So there's nothing for this to blend to, so just be extra cautious. Excuse me. Keep it cute, put it on mute. My eyes are so heavy. I'm just gonna do this nude from Makeup Forever in 101. I love the way that the shadow turned out. I love the lashes with the look. I like the nude lip. I love the gold highlight. I love the contour with the nose. Like, I love that this was like a mix of drugstore versus high-end. So if you guys want me to do more videos like this, trying out products in real time to see how they work and what I love, what I don't love so much, comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell next to it so you don't never miss a post. And of course, you can find me over on Instagram and Twitter when I'm not here on YouTube. And you guys can also find me over on my vlog channel where I post day in the lifestyle videos, super chill, low key. Follow me around, drive with me, eat with me, work out with me, literally just be my best friend with me every day. So definitely go over there and holler at your girl. Might add a little bit of gloss to this look. Ooh, we're feeling that. She is feeling that. Yep, okay, sorry, I'll give a mention to this. This is the Show Me Your Coconuts by Too Faced. Anyways, I'm just rambling to ramble. I'll catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!